Hi everyone, it's Jared here from National Garage, here today to talk about the AOHT4 remote control made by Auto Openers. The AOHT4 remote control replaces the BHT4 by Boss. Boss was bought out in 2016 by Steelline. So on the back of your original Boss remote, you might have 2211-L and then in brackets TX. The new ones have 303 RTX. This will replace both of them. The AOHT4 has 4 buttons, which means it'll program into 4 different garage door or gate openers. It also has a better than genuine 2-year warranty. Auto Openers are an Australian-owned manufacturer who manufacture a range of high-quality aftermarket remote controls. The AOHT4 doesn't contain a button battery, which means it's fully compliant with all button battery regulation laws that were introduced in June 2022. To see the full list of compatible garage door openers that this remote control can work with, head on over to our website. We list all of the compatible models in the listing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all about the AOHT4, head on over to our website. You can give us a call or send us an email. See you next time.